What's going on, everybody? So I just got a box in. Big. One of my buddies sent it to me. He said he put a couple of extra surprises in there, and I'm really interested. See what that is. Look how big that box is. So here we go. I think this is going to be the best angle here. This and as Grandpa always said, cut away from yourself. Like this. Like this. Alright, I don't think I cut anything. Alright, I don't know if you're going to see the first reaction. Maybe I need to do a little differently here. Maybe. We'll go like that. Then you can see reaction. Alright, opening up the box. Alright, we have got a lot of stuff to process here. Alright. Wow. Okay. Alright, I see a couple of things taped to the side. I don't know what they are yet, but here's the initial. Look at that. Look at all of that. That is going to be fun. No kidding. Said I was going to need a 5-gallon bucket. I believe him. Yeah, that's that's going to be awesome. That is going to be a fun refining right there. Alright, so I see a couple of things taped to the sides here. I hope I open this from the right way, because I don't think I'm getting... Oh. Holy shit. There's other stuff in there. Alright. Look at that. So these are the same thing we just refined. Those little shunts or little fuses. I wonder how much that weighs. Cool. There's going to be some palladium in there, I imagine. Alright, now I got to do some digging. Try not to get all this stuff all over the place here. Alright. This stuff feels like an Easter basket when you're a kid. Wow. So this is the way to do this. I haven't tried it yet, but this has to work better than the full sheets. These are all, looks like they went through a paper shredder. And they were split already. There's a lot of work involved in this already. Yeah, this is going to be a nice chunk of silver. There's no question about that. That looks like a gaming controller. It's definitely silver, so you can see that it's tarnished. So there's definitely silver in there. Alright. Without pouring this out, I think I got everything from in there. Besides the stuff that's taped. So we're going to take a look at that. I see something here that looks really cool. I think I'm going to save that for last, because that looks pretty cool. Alright, so we're going to go with this first tape thing here on the side. It's kind of like midway down the box here. And, oh, that was just a hole. Okay. Just kidding. And, alright, we're going to go with this one. No way. Come on. No way. What do we got here? I need my loom. I don't know. That looks like an awful lot like gold. I'll tell you that. I think I see the marking right there. I'll put a picture of it in the in this picture. No way. That is awesome. Thank you. All right. And I don't know what this is. It's taped. All right, we're gonna have to break out the knife again. I don't know what it is, so I'm gonna try to be really careful and just get the tape here. All right. I think I got it. Oh, nope. A little bit left here. Little bit right here. I have no idea what this is. Swiss. Is this open? It's got to open. That'd be why it's taped. All right. I feel like I'm going to spill something here. Let me get something to put this over. Just in case. Grab a piece of paper. There we go. What do we got? Ooh. Oh, yeah. Okay. No way. I'm glad I had a piece of paper there. All right. Let me catch all this here. Hold on. No way. Alright, give me 1 second here. I don't want to lose anything. Alright. Alright. I know the suspense is probably killing you. I gotta be really gentle with this stuff. Alright. Perfect. Let's do this again. Look at that. That is awesome. He definitely helped me out. He knew I didn't get anything in Superior, so he's like, "Here, you gotta find something." Oh, dude, that is awesome. Thank you so much. All right, I'm so glad I put that piece of paper there. I'll tell you what, that saved me. Not all of it came out, but I had a couple of little pieces there. All right, and what do we got? What do we have here? Oh. This is awesome. Look at that. Couple, let's see here. I gotta do some reading. Yep, rolled gold. This some vintage watch cases. That is so cool. Thank you so much. We're definitely going to have to send you something back because this is a 20-year warranty on there. That's going to be a good chunk right there. Thank you so much. I can't even. That's awesome. Definitely going to be getting you something shipped back because that is. That's going to be fun. That's going to be a challenge. There's no question about that. It's going to be a good one. Well, hey, thank you so much. Hey, what's going on, everybody? So today I'm going to be working on a little bit of a test cell for the sulfuric stripping cell for gold-plated pins, gold-plated jewelry. CPU, heat sinks, all that kind of fun stuff. So, and depending on how well it works, I may continue to use it. solely because I would not have to use a lot of sulfuric to fill this bad boy up. So I got some wire. I picked up some mesh off of Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. And then I also have some lead. Now these are actually pretty nice little strips. So all I really have to do is kind of bend that to how I want it. And you know, crease it so that it sits nicely around the edges there. And then cut it off. So the interesting part is going to be the basket. Now, let's see here. So this is going to be interesting. But what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to attempt to do, is make I don't know if I'm going to go quite halfway full. Halfway around here. That's interesting. I'm going to have to figure that out as we go here. Let's see. I think I'm going to draw something up quick. Alright, I got an idea. So first I'm going to start with my crossover here. And I don't know how well this is going to work, so we'll definitely be experimenting together here. How far deep do I want it to go? Let's see. That should be good. All right. There. My bowl comes in a little bit, so I measured at the wrong location. Tuck that in here just a little bit. There we go. Straighten my wire back out. There we go, much better. Let's see here. Straighten this out a little bit, make it look nice. I might speed all this up so you don't have to watch this in real time, because you'll get the gist of it, I guess. So this was actually a really fun project, but so basically I started off making my my first piece of copper there, give a good base to go off of, and I just slowly worked around the bowl and just gave myself an opportunity with a little extra copper on the top there to make a third hook so I can control the back. You'll see me bend that kind of into place here in a minute. But this actually wasn't terrible. It wasn't too bad. And so I slowed it down a little bit so you could see what I did here. Is I made some like little eye hooks out of the copper on the round piece, and I basically just inserted those little eye hooks onto my main, or that main first bar there. So they had something to attach themselves to. A mechanical hold anyway. And then you can see here, this is where I made my third hook out of that little loop I made. Actually turned out pretty good. All right, that doesn't look too bad for a little basket anyway. I might have to level it out in a couple of spots. But I think that should hold pretty good. And then we've got plenty of area here for our lead, which I'm going to have to do a little differently. I don't want to go around the circle here, otherwise it'll build up here on the edges. So I think I'm going to have to build it a nice, well, I mean, as malleable as this lead is, you know, I don't know. You know, I probably get away with just, you know, putting a piece right here. But we'll see. Maybe we'll do a couple of different test cathodes, see which one works the best. All right, now the fun part. This is going to be a challenge. There's no question about that. And just enough wire left. Let's see. I brought plenty of extra because I imagine the first go around is going to be interesting. So we've got quite a bit of material here. So I think this was $10 for all of this, and it's 40 mesh. So I don't know if this is going to get eaten up really quickly by the acid. I hope not. But we'll do a couple of test batches, of course, before we move further to see if I need to upscale this. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and we'll fast forward again, and we'll see if we can make the basket for it. Oh, my bad. I must not have hit the record button hard enough. Anyway, so what it is, I just cut a piece of this copper out, and at first I did was I just traced the inside, and then basically gave myself a little bit of extra material to fold around the edges here, and then kind of droop down. Now I don't know if it's going to be enough, but let's see if it is or not. So let's see here. All right, well, that didn't turn out half bad. I'm not, well, hold on, let's see here. This is the true test. Yeah, it fits right in there. Need, let's see here, roughly 3 inches of that. So I'd say, what, 300 milliliters of sulfuric for that to rock. I don't think I'm going to bring it up when I pour my sulfuric in here. I don't think I'm going to go past the top piece. So we're going to get just the basket in here. And what I might do is lay some solder on the top of this, just so that I got good connection and good conductivity through the entire basket. Because what I'll do is I'll just hook up my positive here. Maybe I'll bring this out just a little bit. Right there. So we'll just clip that on right here. So we should get a pretty good pretty good area. All right. Well, let's move on to the lead. All right. Well, I got the cell set up and built. Like I said, I'm gonna lay a bead of solder on the edge here though, for better conductivity. And what I'll do is I'll just clip my cathode right here and my anode right here. I should be able to fill this up, and I probably should have went a little lower with my. Here, we'll go like this. I left a little bit of material on there. There we go. Now that'll be well into the so I don't want to go past that basket, so now our anode is sitting lower than the top. Well, sweet. Should be able to load this up with some pins. I got a little bit of jewelry, gold-plated jewelry. And we should be able to do a test sample on this relatively quick. I'm actually really excited. I was kind of dreading making this basket, but I mean, it's not pretty by any means, but should hold up, especially when I get solder on there. And it should come up relatively easy, because these won't move when I put solder on, so maybe I'll stretch these out a little bit. It might need a little tweaking, but I think that's life, huh? Well, it's going to be another short video for you. I just wanted to show you how I built that. I know a lot of people custom build that stuff, but you don't really get to see that part of it. So I just wanted to make sure that I, you know, like I said, are there better ways to do that? Probably. You know, that took me 10 minutes. I ordered, you know, that's probably $20 worth of material, but I could probably make 30 baskets with that, with the amount of copper I got. And same thing with the lead. I got tons of lead too. So, yeah, it should be easy. Should be easy to find if you're in the States anyway on Amazon. I'll have the links in the description. I don't know how it is cross country with Amazon, if they have Amazon. I don't know. If not, give Jeff Bezos a ring. Tell him, hey, we need Amazon over here. Anyways, yeah, looking forward to that. I got about 130 grams worth of pins right now. Not a lot. And then I also have, I think, 14 CPUs that I want to try too. But obviously I won't be using the basket for that. I'll just dip them in manually. And just because they're kind of heavy. And I think I'd get better conductivity just touching the copper, dipping it in there, and calling it a day. But yeah, got some jewelry too. Now, I'm not expecting to get tons of it by any means, but I didn't want to get rid of it just to get rid of it. You know, especially if I can do something like this and get what tiny little amount of gold is on there. I think you need like a ton of it or something, like a literal ton, 2,000 pounds to get like a gram or something. It's so thin. But gold is gold, and it all adds up, right? Especially if I only have a little bit of pins and a little bit of CPUs and a little bit of jewelry, you know, it'll add up. So I'm looking forward to that video, actually. I'm really excited to do it. Cheap ways to get gold, cheap ways to get stuff. Sign me up. But for my power supply, I'm just going to use my power source from my cells, my copper cell, my silver cell. You've seen me try to reverse electroplate and If you want a good laugh and you haven't seen it, go check it out. It was a big time fail. So we got to give that another whirl too. But man, it's so hard to pass this last video up, this silver stripping solution with nitric and sulfuric. It just works so good. And yeah, well, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.